Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Chromebook and getting online. This is critical. Press and hold the power key until the Samsung logo shows and plug the charger in if the battery is low. Once powered, open the Wi-Fi chooser, pick your network, and enter the password so apps can update. Next, sign in with your Google account or create one. Make sure sync is enabled so bookmarks and passwords arrive automatically. This quick setup gets you to the desktop and ready for the next steps. Once done with sign-in, customize settings so the Chromebook fits your workflow. Open settings and set time zone, keyboard layout, and touchpad sensitivity so typing and navigation feel natural. Next, install essential apps from the Play Store or Chrome Web Store, granting permissions only when needed to protect privacy. Make sure Google Drive backups are enabled for your files and verify downloads location and available storage. This prevents unexpected full disk issues. You finish by securing and updating the system so it stays reliable. Set a lock screen PIN and enable Smart Lock if you pair an Android phone. This keeps things accessible yet safe. Then check for Chrome OS updates and restart to apply patches that fix bugs and improve performance. If something goes wrong, for example Wi-Fi or sign-in issues, reboot first, forget and rejoin the network, re-enter credentials, and only use Power Wash as a final troubleshooting step to reset the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.